Howdy, and good evening, YouTubers. In this video, I will show you all the procedures in removing this panel, for if in case you need to change your Cmos battery, your drives, your memory, and things of the sort. If you're new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. With all that said, let's begin. This is a HP EliteDesk 800 G3, and to remove the panel to get into the desktop, it's supposed to have a screw here, but when I got this one to check, it didn't have the screw. But if you look at the back of yours and you see the screw, you would take it. It's a Phillips screw just like these here, and you would move this. You have to move that because it locks the cover on. Then you would put your hand here, right on this thing here. When you move it, you put your hand and you just pull. It won't come all the way out. It will stop here, and then you would lift gently. You would get it out. This is how inside the unit is looking. Then before you do anything else, there are 3 tabs here, 1, 2, 3. You would lift gently and you would peel that off. This cover comes out, and to get to your memory and the Cmos battery, you would look at this arrow here and simply lift. This is the memory here, and the Cmos battery is underneath here. This is the card, the CD-RAM. This here is the power supply, the fan, CPU fan, 2 sticks of memory. To remove the battery, do not use nothing metal. Use plastic. And this is the battery right here. On the end of the battery, there is a split. You just push in some plastic underneath and you pry it up. To move the memory, these tabs here, there is one here and one on this side. You just pulling it back, you pulling it the other one back, and you pulling out the memory. just like that. To put the memory back in, it has a slot. You make sure it goes into the slots. And once it's in the slot, you press it down and you press the other side down and it clicks. If your fan is dirty, you would take a brush, or if inside your unit is dirty, you would take a brush and clean it. This here is the CD-RAM. You would bring that down and it sits. That is for a hard drive if you would be using an extra hard drive. This unit has Windows 11 on it and not 10. Just remember, this is when the cover is on, you have to move that to unlock it. If you don't move that, there is no way you would get the cover back on. Now to close the unit, you put this back here. It has tabs, 1, 2, 3 tabs. You make sure the tabs goes to the bottom. Once you feel that it's sit in, you just, and it clips back. It's better to put it down than having it up to try to get that in. Once it's in the cover, you would put the cover on. It has some grooves on either side where the cover slides in. You put your hand at the front and one at the back, and you push gently. And this is it. This is all there is in moving this EliteDesk 800 G3 panel cover. If you need to clean inside your unit. This is it for this video. If you find it was informative, please like and give me the thumbs up. Subscribe until the next video. Goodbye and thank you.